everyone, my name is Ann Roberts. I am the assistant curator here at NOMA, and I've had the pleasure of getting to work on this exhibition, An Ideal Unity, the Bauhaus and Beyond. This exhibition dives into the German design school that was open from 1919 to 1933. So we're celebrating its centennial, the centennial of its opening. And as you can see, it is largely photographs, but today I would like to highlight one of the decorative arts that we have on view in this gallery. So this is Wilhelm Wagenfeld's Cubus, and this is, while it does look like a sculptural work, which it is also a utilitarian work. This is a set of stacking cube containers. So there are 10 different containers, and this was made out of heat-resistant industrial glass that had just been developed just before this work was designed in 1935. So Wilhelm Wagenfeld was a student of the Bauhaus, and this was designed a couple years after the Bauhaus closed. But the Bauhaus principles were to integrate design with manufacturing to make really beautiful but efficient objects for daily life. So these stacking cubes were intended to move seamlessly from the pantry or the refrigerator to the table. Another element of efficiency that can be seen in these cubes, one, they are clear. So in thinking about the daily process of going into the refrigerator to get something out, you can see what was in these containers. You can see how much. There's a handle on a couple of them, so they're easy to grab. But that simple effect of being able to see what you are getting limits the number of seconds that the refrigerator door had to be open. So you're making that simple process more efficient, as well as not having to take something from a storage container and put it into another object that was more presentable for tablescape. So again, thinking about daily life and process and how to make it efficient but still have it be beautifully designed. If you'd like to learn a bit more about this exhibition and the Bauhaus in general, tomorrow, Wednesday, December 18th, I will be giving a gallery talk here at 3 p.m. So I hope some of you can come join us and learn more about An Ideal Unity, the Bauhaus and Beyond.